Hello friends, welcome back. If you're the one like me who loves a good hack, and especially the kind which doesn't cost a single thing, you're in the right place. I'm here to show you some clever practical hacks with all the items that you have already at home. Have you ever noticed how oil bottles always drip? No matter which kind you use, even the fancy ones. Well, here's a zero cost hack that'll keep your oil bottles as well as your kitchen mess free. So, all you need to do is just pick an old sock, choose the one that's clean but no longer wearable, and using a scissors, cut off the stretchy ankle part of the sock. Now you can make another cut and just stretch this piece of sock over the neck of the oil bottle. As the material is stretchy, you can also make it turn over like this so that it remains in place. So now I have both my bottles ready with this smart trick. Let's see how it works. So every time I pour oil out of the bottle, the fabric will catch every single drop of oil that runs down, and this leads to no more greasy bottles or sticky shells in the kitchen. This little trick not only saves you time in cleaning the oil bottles, but you can always replace the sock whenever you feel it has got soiled with another one or wash and reuse the same one. Let's move on to our next tip. Rugs and mats slipping is one of the most common household problems. This issue isn't just about looks, it's a safety risk because slippery rugs or mats can cause trips and falls, especially for kids or older people. Here is a simple way to use Velcro strips to stop rugs from slipping. Let's see how to use them. So you cut small pieces about 2 to 3 inches long, which are enough for each corner. See that you have same size of both the sides of the Velcro strip. You can stick the soft side to the corners of your rug or mat and then press the rough side right on top of it so that they attach. Once this is done, now peel off the backing from the rough side and stick it to the floor. You can repeat the same process on the other side of your bed, and in fact it keeps the rug flat so dirt doesn't get trapped under the wrinkles or folds. The rugs stay in place while cleaning or vacuuming, and whenever you want to clean underneath the rug or the mat, you just need to peel the rug off the Velcro and these come out without causing any damage to the floor. This is such a simple trick, but it makes your home safer and your rugs look neat all the time. Let's see how we can protect rust-free tools when they are mixed with rusty ones. If possible, remove rusty tools away from the clean ones because even a little contact can start the formation of rust. You can clean the rusty tools using sandpaper or a wire brush and apply a protective layer of mineral oil or WD-40 to create a barrier against moisture. The silica gel packs, which usually come with new items, are especially helpful if some rusty tools are still present in your toolbox. Silica gel packs are perfect for keeping your toolbox rust-free because they absorb the moisture in the air, which is the main cause of rust on the tools. For many people, putting on a pillowcase can be a struggle, especially if the pillow is fluffy or if the pillowcase has become tight. When the pillows are fluffy or big, they don't slide easily into the case. And sometimes after multiple washes, the pillowcases shrink a bit and that makes them difficult to put on. Let's try the trick of inside out, which will save time and reduce the frustration, making it easy even for kids to learn how to put on a pillowcase. So once you turn your pillowcase inside out, you then hold it by the corners, reach inside and grab the corresponding corners of the pillowcase. Now, flip the pillowcase over the pillow and pull it down. Just smooth the pillow inside and you get this perfect fit within seconds. Try this out and please let me know in the comment section if you found it helpful. Do your trash bags always slip or the waste falls between the folds when you throw a lot of waste? If a trash bag hasn't been secured properly, heavy items pull the bag down and liquids or food scraps might escape between the bag and the bin, and you are left with a messy bin to clean. Here is a smarter trick. Instead of knotting the bag, which actually wastes a lot of bag space, try this technique with a simple elastic band around the rim. So all you need to do is grab some elastic, just check the size of the rim of your dustbin or your trash can and make a knot which you can then use multiple times every time you change the trash bag. One elastic can be used many times, unlike the knots that waste a huge part of the trash bag. This holds the bag snug, keeps it from slipping, and best of all, you don't lose any space at the top of the dustbin. So that's all for today, my dear viewers. If you enjoyed these zero cost hacks, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who love smart tips. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below to get feel good, easy smart tricks every week. I'll see you soon in the next one. Bye-bye.